Aqua Care Lotion is used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations such as diaper rash and skin burns from radiation therapy. It contains substances that soften and moisturize the skin, decrease itching and flaking, and protect the skin from irritation caused by wetness. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin. Aqua Care Lotion works by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water in the skin. It also contains ingredients that draw water into the outer layer of the skin and soften the top layer of skin cells, helping the dead skin cells fall off and leaving the skin feeling smoother and softer. Use Aqua Care Lotion as needed to keep the skin hydrated and relieve dryness and itching. Apply it to the affected areas and gently massage it into the skin. Use it regularly for best results. Make sure to use this Aqua Care Lotion as directed on the product package. Some products may need to be shaken before use, so be sure to check the label. Apply the lotion to the affected areas of the skin as needed or as directed by your doctor. The frequency of application will depend on the product and your skin condition. If you are using it for dry hands, you may need to apply it every time you wash your hands throughout the day. For diaper rash, make sure to clean the area well before applying the lotion. And if you are using it for radiation skin burns, be sure to check with radiation personnel before applying. It's important to only apply the lotion to the skin and avoid sensitive areas like the eyes, mouth, and vaginal area, unless directed otherwise. Be sure to follow the directions on the label and consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. For best results, use this lotion regularly and apply it to damp skin after bathing or showering. If your skin is very dry, your doctor may instruct you to soak the area before applying the lotion. And remember, long, hot, or frequent bathing can worsen dry skin. If your condition doesn't improve or gets worse, seek medical help right away. When using Aqua Care Lotion, you may experience some minor side effects such as burning, stinging, redness, or irritation. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this lotion, it's because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. Most people using this lotion do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to seek medical attention if you notice any unusual changes in your skin, signs of skin infection, or symptoms of a serious allergic reaction such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist. And as always, if you have any concerns about side effects, it's important to seek medical advice. Before using Aqua Care Lotion, make sure to check with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to the ingredients. Also, if you have skin cuts, infections, or sores, it's important to consult with your healthcare professional before using this product. Some ingredients in Aqua Care Lotion, such as preservatives and fragrance, may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun. Be sure to read the label for any warnings and ask your doctor or pharmacist if you need to take any special precautions when in the sun. It's important to limit your time in the sun, avoid tanning booths and sun lamps, and use sunscreen and wear protective clothing when outdoors. If you experience sunburn or skin blisters/redness, contact your doctor right away. If you have acne-prone skin, look for the word non-comedogenic on the label to avoid products that may worsen acne. Some products may also stain or discolor clothing, so it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Before undergoing any surgery, inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to consult with your doctor before using Aqua Care Lotion, especially if you are applying the product to the breast area. It's important to be aware that Aqua Care Lotion may interact with other medications, which could affect how well your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If Aqua Care Lotion is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. To prevent dry skin, try using lukewarm water instead of hot water when bathing, taking baths or showers less frequently, like every 1 to 2 days, keeping baths or showers short, and using a humidifier when the air is very dry. Aqua Care Lotion is an emollient product that can help with dry skin. It comes in the form of a lotion and is fragrance-free, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin. It can be used daily to keep the skin moisturized and hydrated. The best time to apply Aqua Care Lotion is after bathing or showering, when the skin is still damp, to lock in moisture. Don't forget to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to see if Aqua Care Lotion is right for you. If you forget to use Aqua Care Lotion on your regular schedule, just use it as soon as you remember. But make sure not to use extra product or use it more frequently than directed to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to read the storage information on the package. If you have any questions, ask your pharmacist. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not store the foam canister near high heat or open flame, and do not puncture or burn it due to the pressure inside. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed. Properly dispose of the product and it is expired or no longer needed. Consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.